Bunny dreams up the places they usually go and thinks of the bathrooms they don't yet know. Where do you think Bunny might go next? The park has many fun things to do, but Bunny is worried they might need a poo. Trickle, tinkle, splash or plop. This toilet has a button on top. It looks a little stuck today. Bunny needs to push it all the way. Here's a big high five for you. You did a great job with that loo. To use this handle, lift it high. Let's see how Bunny gives it a try. Slide it one way, Bunny, but not a lot, to find out if it's cold or hot. Oops-a-daisy. As you've seen, Bunny's filled the room with steam. Come on, Bunny, have another go to cool the tap and watch it flow. Ooh, that's so cold it isn't nice. Bunny's made a chunk of ice. Come on, Bunny, have another go to break the ice and watch it flow. That water feels exactly right, so Bunny can make their hands shine bright. All done. Push it down, Bunny, to make it stop, so we don't waste a single drop. Give yourself a great big clap. You did a great job with that tap. What's that on the wall right there? This dryer blasts out streams of air. No buttons needed, quite as sure. Bunny moves their hands and makes it go. Great job, Bunny, but you're not done yet. Your hands were really, really wet. Make a fist and punch the sky. Bunny's made those wet hands super dry.